G'day, cunts. I've put together a little piece for you, you cunts, and yeah, it's not a bad piece, this one actually. Quite a beautiful piece, to be precise. And I want you to listen to it. It's not just a song, but it's the fucking story within the song that I want you guys to observe. And it's about the fucking life of this sad cunt. And yeah, I'm deciding between pretty much tossing between these two names at the moment for the title of this song. And first one is the Singing Canary. And oh jeez. And the second one is the shit cunt. Fucking yeah, the shit cunt. And yeah, so guys, I just want you to sit back, relax, fucking hold your dicks if you have to. Fucking it's a big ride, this one. And just take it in, listen to it, feel it, fucking breathe it. And yeah, here we go. I'm gonna take it away. My name's Jose. I'm fucking gay. I'm a pussy canary. Cock smoking little motherfucker. Cigar, sunset Corona. Fucking island faggot. I'm a dirty little skanker, aka Spanish mop cleaning wanker. You guacamole jizzing fucking rumba dancing cunt.